Why not, boy? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Super Idol. Do. Let's get it down real quick. Yo, what's up with this music? The hell? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bro, I know how to play this game, bro. I know how to play this game. I don't know why they're trying to make it like I don't know how to play this game. And why did they, hey yo chat, why did they change the music, y'all? Why did they change the music? They should have just kept the same, the old music. Hold on. Why did they change the music? It's kind of fire though. Am I tripping? It's kind of fire. Oh shit, I'm not paying attention. I'm tweaking. It's kind of hard playing this game, bro. Like when it's like this. Yo, man, come on, bro. I can't die to this, dog. There we go. It's fire, bro. I never said it. Man, shut the hell up, man. I like this music, bro. No. Top run! I'm about to leave my top run! Top run right here, y'all. Wait, like, can you play it like this? Oh, you can play it like this. You can use the arrows to play. Ah, that's better. I ain't knew you could use arrows to play. That's way better. Let's go! We locked in! We locked in, chat! We locked in! It's about drive, y'all. It's about power. Hold on, I ain't gonna lie. Damn, bro. It's lit. Bro, tell me this shit is so weird. Like, playing on mouse is so weird, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Ah, I'm scared. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. It's just so scary, y'all. Y'all don't even know what I'm talking about. Oh! Yo, Surfer! This is so inspirational, bro. Chill out. I'm playing on arrow this time, y'all. I'm playing arrows this time. I'm playing arrows this time. Chill out. IShowSpeed, shut up! Like, bro, shut up! I gotta cut me some slack, bro. Like, for real. This nigga talking about IShowSpeed. What is you talking about? And it's dumb laggy. AO player? Alright. That's pretty, yo, I ain't gonna lie, that comes pretty damn ironic coming to somebody. Okay. Here we go. Just shut up, chat! This is your chat, just listen! God, bro, just relax. This music is just throwing me off. Like, this not the regular music that I usually play this game to. That's why, like, it's kind of throwing me off. It's kind of throwing me off because of this music. Wait, I just beat my high score already? Bro, I just beat my high score. Let's go. Already. Just chill out. We gon' always roll. So inspirational, man. This music is so inspirational, bro. It's like just listening to, like, you know, it's like you reading a book, but at the same time you chilling at the same time, bro. Y'all feel what I'm saying, bro? Alright, I'm gonna move to my mouse now. I'm moving to my mouse. Yo, why does it... Yo, oh my fucking god, bro. Oh my goodness, I'm about to get so fucking mad, bro. Why does my mouse doesn't move at the exact time, man? God damn, bro, shut up. Stop spinning ill, bro. Alright, bro, yo, like, bro, every time I look, y'all have to spin, I'm fucking ill, bro. God damn. Now what? L what? L what? L what? L what? Now shut up, bro. L what? L what? Get off my nuts, bro. Get off my nuts. Get off my nuts, bro. Back. Simple as that, bro. I'm back just like that. L what? L what? L what? Point exactly, bro. On my nut. Word of my mother. Word. Word. Uh-huh. Who the best? I'm the best. Who the best? I'm the best. Yeah. All I see is dubs now. Yo. Bro. If this don't... Yo, one more.